The one commodity that Australia is not making any more of is land, especially this size. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute privilege today to show you through this one-of-a-kind home here in Ryde. Let's go take a look. Whether it be the livability of the home or the extra large land size, the opportunities here are endless. This property on the high side of the street commands district views as well as 1,880 metres squared, which is ripe for duplex potential or possibly just simply land banking for future redevelopment. Backyards this endless are a rare sight in Ryde. If you have any further questions, make sure you give me a call. This is going to be a very popular property indeed. Feel free to reach out anytime, otherwise I look forward to helping you at our next open home.